These videos that have recently gone viral everywhere on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are actually made very easily with just a few clicks.
Researchers waste 2 hours a day.
You know what still blows my mind?
It's wild how fast it makes ads.
Yeah, I tested it last week. I just dropped in a product link and it built like 50 videos in minutes.
They actually feel like real user-generated content.
Today I'll show you how you can easily create promotional videos, educational content, or even podcasts using ultra-realistic and lifelike avatars. So real that it's really hard for an average viewer to tell the difference. And you can use this new and super precise technology to build faceless YouTube channels, Instagram pages, or TikTok accounts with avatars. I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
and experiences about making animations and videos,
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us.
If you go to the Creatify website, you'll see that its main purpose is creating ads powered by AI, specifically designed to maximize the impact of your marketing. It can generate different types of ads for your products, no matter what you're selling, whether it's clothing, digital gadgets, or even for your YouTube channel or Instagram page. Creatify can help you produce viral content. The AI here takes care of the whole process completely automatically, so producing a high-quality video is as easy as drinking water, even if you have zero experience. After signing up with your Google account and entering your dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools. These tools are designed to help you create high-quality viral ads in a short amount of time. We'll test most of them, but I want to start with Aurora Avatar, which was just added in the new update. Its performance in generating AI avatars is outstanding. As you can see, there are a lot of avatars here, and they look shockingly real and lifelike. For non-professional viewers, it can be really difficult to tell the difference. And there's also a huge variety. Each avatar is available in different locations and styles, which really expands the diversity. On top of that, if you don't like the default looks, you can change the clothing and even the location of your avatar using AI to make it match your own style. Still not satisfied? You can use the custom avatar section to create a personalized one using your photo, a prompt, or even a video of yourself. Honestly, it's amazing that all these options are gathered in one place, ready to use. Let's test some of them and check out the quality. First, I'll pick one of the realistic avatars that could be used for podcasts. In the script section, you can type in your own text or use AI-generated samples. You can even upload your own voice here. The tools available are really practical and new. For example, you can control word pronunciations or adjust the tone of voice, so the avatar reads your script with the right emotion. If you enable voice emotion, the system automatically marks up the script to help the AI understand the proper mood.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
After choosing your preferred voice, you can adjust speed, stability, and other details. At the bottom of the page, you can even refine the output using a custom prompt. But honestly, you can just leave everything as it is. The default settings are optimized by Creatify itself. Let's check the result.
Hey there, check out the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. It features a gorgeous 6.8-inch display and an incredible triple camera setup that captures stunning photos.
In my opinion, it's really good. And we can definitely use it for video casts or ads. Now let's try another one. This time I'll change the style to modify the character a bit.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. Hello and welcome.
What if the only limits to what you could create existed in your mind?
Throughout history, artists have painted worlds no one else imagined. Bold colors, daring forms, and emotions captured in a single brushstroke.
Now I want to upload a normal photo and continue working with that.
With their elegant, twisted design and dazzling cubic zirconia,
They're perfect for any occasion.
Dreaming of your next vacation? Let us help you plan it. Whether you want a relaxing beach getaway or an adventurous trip, we create personalized itineraries just for you.
You can also use animated characters here as well.
Hey pet parents, pamper your furry friends with our top-notch pet supplies. From healthy food to fun toys, we've got everything your pets need to stay happy and healthy.
The next section we'll test is AI video ads. Here you can upload your own product materials or just provide a link so the AI extracts everything itself. In the next step, you can edit or add your brand name, product description, and assets however you like. After that, you can choose the target platform, aspect ratio, duration, and even the language. The target audience option helps the AI specialize the video better so it has more impact on your viewers. If you hit next, Creatify starts preparing scripts for you. It generates 4 different scripts, each focusing on a unique perspective. You can edit them however you want or even generate new ones. You can also adjust the tone to match your video concept. Of course, you can always write your own fully custom script too. In the next step, you pick avatars from the same ones we checked earlier. After that, click Next, and the storyboard will be generated. At this stage, you'll see a few preview versions. Obviously, these are not the final results. Lip syncs and details might not be perfect yet, but it gives you a clear overview to help decide which one works for you.
I can't believe this 86 shade eyeshadow palette with 15 professional brushes exists, and new users get 15% off today. Whether you're just starting your makeup journey or you're a pro artist, this You Can Be palette changes everything.
I can't believe this 86 shade eyeshadow palette with 15 professional brushes exists, and new users get 15% off today. Whether you're just starting your makeup journey or you're a pro artist,
From here, you can edit anything you want. In Quick Edit, you can quickly and easily make adjustments, change the avatar, swap the voiceover or background music, edit captions, or even tweak the aspect ratio. But if you click Go to Editor, you'll enter a full professional video editor with advanced tools. Here, literally everything is customizable, giving you full control over the final result. Once you're done, you can render your video and download the final file.
For the first time ever, I confidently said, I'll take a full eyeshadow look. The Adoria 86 shade eyeshadow palette and pro brush set finally made it possible. I'm talking ultra pigmented mattes and shimmers that blend like a dream. The formula is cruelty-free, waterproof, and lasts all day without fallout. Don't sleep on this deal. Grab yours now and transform your makeup game forever.
Now let's take a look at the other sections of this platform. Avatar Video works similar to Aurora. It lets you write a script, pick an avatar, and set all your preferences.
Ready to kickstart your fitness journey? Our all-in-one fitness app has got you covered.
Product Video can directly create professional promo clips for your products. You can use amazing templates or build from scratch. For AI prompts, it even supports tools like Nano Banana. In VEO3 ads, you'll find incredible ad teasers that can serve as references to recreate.
Ever get left hanging because your phone just gave out?
Image Ads lets you generate ad posters for use on social networks. AI Shorts can automatically create engaging short videos perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok.
Introducing the Luxa Home Smart System.
Batch Mode is another super practical feature. Here, by uploading a single link or some material, you can instantly generate a large number of short videos for YouTube and Instagram. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, there's also a built-in advanced video editor. Plus, in the Create Your Own Avatar section, you can fully design your own avatar. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Until next time, stay creative.